Nung nakita ito ng husband ko sa online, dito sa TikTok, he was convinced na makakatulong ito ma-relax ang kanyang wrist if he's going to use this as his working mouse. However, nung bumalik na sila sa office nila, hindi niya ito magamit full time. So, naiwan ito dito ngayon sa bahay. So, ako naman guys, I was hesitant to use this at first because of two reasons. Number one, of course, hindi tayo sanay sa paggamit ng mouse in a vertical position. Feeling ko mas lalong mapapagod yung kamay natin. Second is, it uses a Bluetooth connection at hindi ako fan ng mga Bluetooth or ng mga wireless mouse kasi nga naglalag yung connection and mabilis malobat yung mouse kapag naka-Bluetooth. Pero you know what, when I started using this one, lahat ng agam-agam ko sa ganitong klase ng mouse ay nawala. First, ang vertical positioning. Masarap pala gamitin na nakaganito yung kamay mo kasi mas lalong nakaka-relax yung kamay natin habang ginagamit itong mouse na to. Second one, regarding the Bluetooth connection. Guys, meron siyang USB Bluetooth receiver na kino-connect doon sa laptop para magkaroon ng stable connection. And then regarding sa battery naman, hindi siya mabilis malobat. Mula nung April na binigay ito ng asawa ko sa akin, parang one time pa lang ako nag-recharge. For the reason na 400 milliamperes ang kanyang battery capacity. And then at the same time, it has a switch here, no, to turn on or off the Bluetooth. This mouse, no, kung hindi nyo ginagamit, pwede siyang i-off. Another thing to conserve the battery is kapag ginagamit mo siya at naka-idle lang itong ating mouse for like a few minutes, kusa siyang namamatay. Kusa siyang nagto-turn off. So with that, it conserves battery. So you can switch it on anytime naman by just pressing any buttons here. Kaya dahil doon, mas natitipid yung battery nito. Now another thing guys, meron lang siyang learning process siguro kasi kailangan mo rin isanay yung kamay mo. Kasi same lang naman ang mga buttons eh. Here's the left button, here's the right button, ito yung scroll. Right? So medyo may learning process lang siya para masanay yung kamay ninyo. Pero pag nasanay na, parang wala lang. Now, meron din siyang button dito to increase or decrease the sensitivity of the mouse dito. And meron din siyang two buttons here for forward and backward or to redo and undo. Isa pa, ang ganda ng aesthetic nito kasi matte finish po siya. Very smooth yung kanyang physical feature. And guys, this is only like less than 300 pesos. You have two options to choose. You can get the rechargeable one or the battery version. Ang sa akin is this is rechargeable. No? So this is it says here that you can charge it in 2 to 3 hours pero you don't need to wait for that kasi kahit naka-charge siya, pwede mo pa rin siyang gamitin. Now, for battery version naman, ayun, dry battery ang ginagamit niya, no? And according naman sa mga reviews is matagal din siyang malobat. So if you like this, I'll just put the link sa aking yellow basket. Okay? So ayun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!